But as of right now, you notice there's 795. Here's Goldsboro, the Highway 24 corridor, Marmac, Grantham, Goldsboro, right along your doorstep. This storm is continuing to move and prompt a tornado warning. We had a warm front that surged way to the north and very quickly a wicked-looking cell, and it is a fast mover. You've got to go ahead and get indoors right now. Most interior room, whether it's a hall closet, a bathroom, something of that nature, you're in it right now. You're also going to want to put a pillow over your head if you don't have access to that, because this is a fast-moving storm. Just put your hands over your head, bear down on the velocity product, and what this does, Doppler radar does a fantastic job picking up on winds that are moving towards or even away from radar. We look for a signature, thus called a couplet, where we can pick up on rotation. That would be right about here. Thanks for staying with News 14, Carolina. It's not very often you get such a spectacular sky cam shot from our Dorton Arena. It's kind of the arcing snake-like pattern here. That shows me that we've got some strong gusty winds with this that could be in the order to 30 to 40 miles an hour, as well as some locally heavy rain embedded within the deeper reds, as well as those yellows that are dropping south. I think we all know a little bit about Sandy now. We've had cloudy skies and gusty winds and even some heavy rain right along the coast. The latest advisory, the intermediate advisory, has come in from the National Hurricane Center. Some accumulation of ice across central and eastern sections of North Carolina. Let's switch gears. Storm tracker Doppler radar here at 21 minutes after 4 o'clock. The back edge of this moisture continues to move into portions of the northwestern sections of the viewing area. And as we take a closer inspection here and loop it through the last 60 minutes, so we go back in time an hour up to the present, you notice that there has been some regeneration of some lighter areas of freezing drizzle back towards Chapel Hill and just north thereof, in between Burlington and Chapel Hill along I-40 and back towards 85. So you want to travel with extreme caution there. Still, from Raleigh points north and down towards Fuquay and Apex, still freezing rain with some sleet mixed in. And we appreciate all the viewer reports across the Sand Hills with sleet, freezing rain there as all of this moisture continues to advance eastward. But the silver lining, as mentioned before, is that the back edge is moving through the Triad at this point in time. It's already cleared through Charlotte, so give it about another 60 minutes or so for the Triangle. Little longer across the Sandhills and especially the northeastern corner, and here are those reports. This goes back to earlier this morning where we had that bout of some snow. That really helped to lock in our temperatures in the 20s, and that has resulted in our freezing rain event here this afternoon. Well, you can find us on the social media channels, Facebook as well as Twitter. We have had a number of weather pictures to come in to us. Now, when it's safe to do so, you can submit them, weather@news14.com. Well, as we continue to map things out here through the balance of this afternoon and the evening, we'll turn the corner and we'll see the dissipation of most of the freezing rain, tapering off to a freezing drizzle, and then exits across the northeastern corner as we head deeper into tonight. Temperature sitting at 26 degrees. There has not been much movement with those numbers at all today, even with a southwest wind of 6. It's 27 in Wilson and Goldsboro, 28 in Fayetteville. Well, we were showing this on our Weather on the One's Facebook page as well as Twitter. This is Elizabeth City right now. Temperature sitting at 30 degrees, and there's snow measurable on the ground. All right, here's how things have unfolded through the last 24 hours. You notice this is a fast-moving system that is zipping on through. It is going to continue to taper off from west to east as we go through the balance of this evening and tonight. Temperatures have been below freezing all day long. They'll stay that way through tonight. We will expect difficulty driving, especially on the elevated surfaces, side streets, and roads, so make sure you slow down. 44 degrees for your high temperature tomorrow, but it will take until mid to late morning before we have temperatures getting above freezing. Stay with us. More weather at the bottom of the hour.